Today I am teaching you 13th problem of exercise 6.3 because problems are lengthy, solutions are less only, but one we have to write the problem, explain how to take the data, and also one problem I am doing. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 200 logs are placed in the following manner. 20 in the bottom. Okay. Next 19 in the next row. 18 in the next row. Like that they were arranged. That is the content of this problem. 18 in the row above it and so on. Continued. One they reduced. In how many rows are the 200 logs can be placed? How many logs are in the top row you have to find out. So there are two you have to find out. These 200 logs can be placed such that 20 in the bottom, 19 in the next, 18 in so on. How many rows we will get and what are the number of logs that can be placed in the top. So this problem you have to take the APS 20 AP is equal to 20, 19, 17, so on. Okay. So A is 20. D is 19 minus 20 minus 1. And N also we know. Total number of logs 200. So what from this you can find out? N you can find out. And then after that you can find out the number of logs in the top row. Okay. So what is the formula we have to use? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula you have to use. N by 2, that is equal to n we don't know. You need to find out. 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 1 is equal to 200. Total number of logs we know. So this is n by 2 into 40 plus minus 40 minus n plus 1 is equal to 200. This can be written as n into 41 minus n is equal to 400. 2 I took that side. So 2 into 200 will be 400. With this you will get a quadratic equation. 41n minus n square minus 400 is 0. Or you can change the signs and write n square minus 41n plus 400 is 0. Okay. 400 can be written as you have to get minus sign, you have to write minus 25 into minus 60. Okay. So n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. N into n minus 25 plus minus 16 into n minus 25 is equal to 0. So you got two factors, n minus 25 into n minus 16 is 0. So if n minus 25 is 0, and then n is equal to 25. If n minus 16 is 0, then n is equal to 16. Okay. But you cannot have 25 rows and 16 rows. One of them should be correct. So we will find out which one is correct. Till here can you understand? See, AP we got because 20, 19, 18 because they have reduced one log from each row and then next row was placed with that number. So 20, 19, 17, so on. A is 20, D is 19 minus 20 minus 1. N is 200. Then we applied Sn formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is n by 2. N is not known. 2 into 20, n minus 1 is 200. N by 2 into 40 minus n plus 1 is 200. N into 41 minus n is 400. Because 2 is taken that side, 2 into 200, 400. Now we got an equation, 41 n minus n square minus 400 is 0. N square minus 41 plus 400 is 0. We factorized and we got n is 25 and n is 16. But see, you have to find out the top row number, no? That we will find out. You can find out which is correct. 25 is correct or 16. So what is a plus n minus 1 into d? So we will take with 25. N is equal to 25. With that is equal to a is 20 plus 24 into minus 1. That is 20 minus 24, 4 minus 4. This is wrong because number of logs cannot be minus 4. So n is equal to 16 will take. So 20 plus 16 minus 1, 15 into minus 1. That is 20 minus 15. That is equal to 5. So this is correct. Therefore, number of rows can be number of rows is equal to number of rows in which 200 logs are placed. 200 logs are placed is equal to 16 because 15 n is 16 and number of logs in top row. In top row is equal to how many? 5. So this is the solution. So you got two answers. You cannot say that there are 25 rows and 16 rows. So we'll find out which is correct. So a plus n minus 1 into d is the last row. So 20 plus 24 into minus 1 is minus 4. So 25 cannot be, number of rows cannot be 25. And with that other n 16, 20 plus n minus 1 is 15 into minus 1, 20 minus 15, 5. This is correct. So number of rows is 16, number of logs in top row is 5. This is the